baby. No fake accounts like KD. Doing the shit that I want to. Nobody I'll ever run to. Every time I come through. Take shots, but I'm gun proof. Know that I'm shooting right back. Killing them when I be dropping the track. Killing them and they be bringing it back. Killing them so I be wearing all black. Always been ready. This ain't a game, no confetti. I got my aim and I'm steady. I got the tools like get it.
I got that video.
Oh.
Damn it, boy.
This bitch right here cut some.
Hey,
Oh, that's the wrong one.
that's a swole ass heater for
that's a
hose.
swole one.
The seatbelt. Y'all do not listen to me when I say put that bitch around the water net. Y'all love to throw that shit around
I
the
told
fucking
him not to
strip.
do that shit.
Hey,
He's
remember
like, no,
when
I do it all the time.
when we took it out last time, we put it around the water net, it was smooth as hell.
I told her, I said, look, man, I wouldn't do that. Man, we do it all the time. All right, say less. Because I always wrap mine around the damn transmission mount.
Yeah, well, the reason why I don't do that because I know when I get it out, I'm gonna probably pull the trans off. So I wrap it around this because once you pull that off, you got the whole net.
Right.
And you wrap it around that, and then you usually it'd be like something up here. Or I'll wrap it around the, that thing, and it'll be
Well,
kind of
y'all
low.
take y'all transmission off while I was on the jack, on the left.
Yeah, that's what I do, cause it make it easier for the.
You know, them damn B-series shit. I take that bitch out, look, put it on the box, take it apart, put a new one on there. Cause the old pan's so flat on these damn things, you can damn near stand them up.
These shits ain't. These motherfuckers got that little round to them. That bitch want to boot the fuck up.
Mine about kind of square now.
Yeah, with the bashing. Look, you can't even put it. That's why you be talking about you a whole 5 quart. You don't want to hold it, make your oil been smushed up. You ain't got no damn oil. Yeah, route it. That's not the right hose. That's just a hose. So just route it. Yeah, it ain't molded to fit. But you got to run it underneath.
Underneath this hose.
Damn, this ain't even tight yet. Or either run that shit on top. Fuck it. It ain't the right one. Ride it on top. And just go to it like that and then go to this.
Like this?
Yeah. Cause that's like how my square body is. It's just a piece of hose somebody gave or somebody put on it. I gotta go see D Good probably one day. I might try to go Tuesday or Wednesday. See if he'll make my gas line.
No, yeah,
How much he hit you in the head for?
It wasn't that much, I don't think. I don't remember.
More than $60.
It wasn't that much. It like 30, 25, 30.
How long did you go?
Huh?
How long did you go?
I got 2 feet.
2 feet.
Yeah, I said I'd rather be more than I
Yeah, that's why I was thinking maybe 3. And look, I don't know if you saw, but I got my brand new fuel filter. You know,
I see it came to that.
Yeah, $11. You can't beat that shit. And my manual tensioner came today too.
Let me know, man, you ready to do that timing belt.
I ain't get a water pump.
You did?
Hell no, man, shit high. And I ain't want to get the cheap one because everybody was talking so much shit. Doesn't say they work.
Shit, hell yeah.
But I was like, well, fuck it. Then I'm going to leave the OEM water pump. I got a Gates belt from O'Reilly for $39. And I figured at least if the pump go out, at least it won't blow the motor. It just might run hot.
Hey, snort the gas for me? Hold on. All right.
What is going on, guys? So as you can see, I finally got a shop fan. I picked up this nice ass 32-inch for $50 the other night, and man, it makes a hell of a difference. Like when you stand in front of that thing, she getting off. So today's video gonna be sort of random. As y'all saw in the last video, we got the bay done for the CB7. And in this video, I actually want to try to get the valve cover painted on this, as well as I want to try to get the engine cleaned off so that I can go ahead and spray the engine and trans with the silver, and hopefully I can get the two mated up. I want to figure out about the clutch before I put it together, but I gotta still try to get this crank pulley off. I bought a set of impact sockets the other day, I'm gonna try that in a few minutes, see if I can get it to break loose. But yeah, if I can get that off, do the timing belt, I got a rear main seal, throw that in, and it'll be pretty much ready to go. I just need to get it cleaned up and sprayed. Alright guys, so again, I apologize, this video will be all over the place, but I got the valve cover outside. See if I can show it to you. And what I did was I went ahead and got the pressure washer side up, and I shot that bad boy once I put that stripper on it. And damn, I mean, this thing is pretty much flawless. So now I'm just letting it dry and stuff in the sun, and since I had the pressure washer out, I'm gonna go ahead and get this engine. I gotta put it in the back of the truck, drive outside, spray it out in the truck bed, and then bring it back in here and unload it again. So yeah, again, I apologize that this video is kind of all over the place, but trying to get some stuff done while I got time off. And it's hot as fuck, so yeah, I don't have a shirt on. I hope I don't get demonetized for that, but yeah, I got the spark plug cover over there. I did clear it, and it looks better than it did before, so I'm not gonna mess with that too much. But right now, let's try to get this engine loaded in the truck so we can get it sprayed off. First light coat of yellow blade. It's still transparent, but that's how I like to do it so we don't have any runs. The second coat will be thicker, and the third coat will be even thicker, and you won't see it then. I always do light first coat and follow it by a thicker second coat. Alrighty guys, so got the engine all prepped up. All I gotta do now is spray it. The valve cover's back here, and that's coming out pretty decent, I guess. I don't know, I'm gonna have to shoot it one more time on the side. I wanna react a little bit, but no worries. It's gonna look better than it did. And yeah guys, hopefully in the next video, I'll be able to get the engine painted, get the seals put on, hopefully get the trans mounted to it, and we should have us a ready to go engine to put back in the car, hopefully, fingers crossed. And yeah, that's where we'll make more progress, man. The 4th of July is this coming Thursday, and I think we're gonna work up till that. So hopefully Wednesday will be my last day, and so I can really crank down on getting this engine. The goal is I'm gonna at least have it mounted in the car, ready to go before the week, like by the next weekend. So I still need an ECU. I need a jumper harness if I can find one to route the crank position sensor from the crank back up to like where the distributor is. I gotta see if I can find that and get the timing belt and stuff on. If all that goes well this week, then we should be able to have the engine in and ready to go this weekend coming up. And then all that'll be left is to get the ECU, and hopefully this bad boy will start. Oh yeah, and I gotta try to go get that gas line made too. I got that laying up top of here somewhere. So we get the gas line made, and we should be set to test start by the time maybe in like a week or so. So all I have to do is get this gas line extended probably another foot so that I can bring it from the passenger side of the car over to the driver's side. And yeah, other than that, it should be, everything else should be straight. TrapCar chilling, valve cover baking like a bitch. It's so hot out here, so it should be dry in no time. And yeah, all in all, I really do feel like it's been a pretty productive day. I'm not complaining one bit, because we got a whole lot done today, whether we want to think about it or not. And so yeah, super stoked on it, ready to get that engine in. Never had an H22, so if you're new to the channel, make sure you go back and check out all my other videos. Mostly all I do is Accords, but I do have 2 Civics coming up. So if you're a Civic fan, Del Sol fan, I do have 2 EJ1s that I'm gonna start working on, as well as one of my friends has a H2B setup that he's probably gonna work on today, so I may try to film some of that in another video. And yeah, so we got a lot of Honda content for y'all, so y'all need to make sure you liking this stuff. Make sure you shout me out, man. Sharing my stuff on your pages really helps us out, because we need to grow, because not a lot of channels actually do this hands-on type of work, and it's a lot of work, and to have to film it on top of do it makes it like twice as hard. So if you don't mind, man, if you're new, make sure you hit that subscribe button, make sure you share this stuff and tell your boys about it. And yeah, I'm gonna keep doing what I do, making videos. I really enjoy this. I appreciate every one of y'all, and as always, make sure y'all like, share, subscribe, and remember, respect all bills. Peace out.